with Tracy from Salt Facial. We
Hi,
are
everyone.
learning all of the amazing benefits of using the Salt Facial before any aggressive chemical peel or any laser treatment here at Dr. Emer's office. Tracy, do you want to share some of the benefits with everyone?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
So she's doing a beautiful job of treating her forehead right now. And what we're actually doing is that white powder on her skin is actually salt. It's just pure natural sea salt. It's organic. It doesn't have any additives in it, and it's just a really fine grain of salt. Salt is probably the oldest natural element known to man, and used to purify and heal and preserve. And we use it now to clean and purify and heal the skin. Now what we're actually doing is that salt is being highly pressurized within the system, and let's have you turn your head.
Yeah,
There we go.
thank
That'll
you.
give us a better camera angle. I start out here. And it's highly pressurized, and then it's coming out of that handpiece that's a special angle, and it's hitting the skin at this angle so that it's lifting the dead cells off the skin in a unique and really an optimal fashion, so that we're getting the best exfoliation that we can in the safest manner. And so when we're done with this treatment, your skin will just absolutely glow. And the salt is part of that as well. The salt just is such a healing element that it just helps to balance the alkalinity of the skin and the pH of the skin. So it's good for all skin types, all ages, whether the skin is oily or dry, whether someone has acne. It's great for that as well. It's just a super healing treatment.
Very anti-inflammatory as well, and that is why we
Yeah.
like to use it to prep the skin before Cosmelon. It helps with the downtime. It's also healing, as Tracy said. All in all, it's good for every skin type, and you could be a dark skin type, that's fine. You'll still benefit from it. We're still able to do the Salt Facial on you. At Dr. Emer's office, we like to do this pre-peel so that we get rid of all of the dead skin, and there's no dead skin in our way for the peel to penetrate deeper.
And that's the best way to approach anything. If you can get rid of that dead skin layer, you're going to get a better result with anything that you do on top of that. And Elizabeth is an expert in chemical peels as well as several other treatments, and so she really understands how clearing the way for chemical products to be able to penetrate and do their best work. So talk to her when you come in. Talk to her about how these products can really help you.
Yes. Do we have any questions?
Yeah, questions.
No questions so far. Not on my end.
Everybody's at dinner. It's dinner time
Yeah,
right now.
it's dinner time right now.
Yes.
I love this treatment. I will be talking more about it as I go along, but this treatment is really, like Tracy said, it's to exfoliate the skin, make way, but it also helps to retain moisture. That is the really cool thing about salt as well, that after we do a salt facial and we apply your serums at home, they're able to penetrate deeper and work a lot more effectively. So this is also really good for someone that's barely starting a home care regimen here at
That's
Dr.
right.
Emer's office.
That's absolutely right. Before you start any quality skincare line, you really should prepare your skin, and this is a great way to do it.
So what's different about this salt?
So this salt is it's been it's been actually processed in a way that it's very, very, very finely grained. And so it has to be in order to flow nicely through the system. But also, it is totally free of any other additives. It's organic, and it's free of any other trace minerals. There's nothing in there, because you can actually break the skin with this device. So we have to use a salt that does not contain any potential additives that might cause infection to the skin.
Can I just tell you, like, even as I'm doing it right now, you can already start feeling a change in the texture completely.
Great for around the lips, the lip lines.
Can you go over the lips?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes, you can.
Wow.
Our lovely patient here does not have any lip lines, but if she did, we certainly could. You know, a lot of people, this is a great example. A lot of people have beautiful, rich, dark skin, and they're more limited in the types of treatments that they're able to have. And this is a good example with the salt facial, where we can adjust this treatment to be light and refreshing, where she won't have any downtime whatsoever. She can go walk out and go about her business. If she wanted to put makeup on afterwards, she could do that. But we could also do a much more aggressive version of this, where we would actually numb the skin and really go aggressive on her skin and get almost like a mild laser-like treatment. That we could get a treatment for her that someone might be of her skin type, her skin color, we would probably not recommend.
I totally agree. That's part of the reason why the salt facial is so exciting, because we can do it on all Fitzpatrick skin types and not worry about post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So I'm very excited to tell everyone of all skin types that this treatment is perfect for you.
Yes.
All right, I think we're good.
I think we are too.
Yeah.
Good.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, I'll take that.
Thank you.
Thank you.